Keeping your vehicle in top condition is easier with the right diagnostic tool. The best Obd2 scanner for Toyota provides accurate error codes, real-time data, and easy troubleshooting. Let's explore the top scanners designed to keep Toyota vehicles running smoothly. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. BLCKTEC Obd2 Scanner for Toyota. The BLCKTEC 440 Obd2 scanner for Toyota is designed with both simplicity and effectiveness in mind, making it an excellent tool for car owners who want reliable vehicle health management. This device goes beyond the basics of reading and clearing trouble codes by offering emissions readiness, system resets, and real-time data monitoring. Its ability to efficiently turn off the check engine light saves time and stress, especially for drivers preparing for inspections. A standout feature of this scanner is its live data graphing function, which provides accurate monitoring of performance across a wide range of vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and light trucks equipped with Obd2. The 2.8-inch color screen is bright and easy to navigate, giving users clear results without any guesswork. With printer compatibility, it even allows you to generate detailed reports for record-keeping or mechanic consultations. Smog preparation is another strength, with I/M readiness hotkeys and intuitive LED indicators making emissions testing straightforward. The BLCKTEC 440 is also praised by professional mechanics thanks to its patented design, lifetime free updates, and technical support that ensure it remains useful long after purchase. Plug-and-play convenience adds to the appeal, as it draws power directly from the vehicle's DLC port without requiring external batteries. Whether you're an experienced DIYer or someone new to diagnostics, this scanner balances usability with expert-grade functions. Number 2. Launch Obd2 Scanner for Toyota. The Launch Creator Elite version 2.0 is one of the most powerful Obd2 scanners available for Toyota and Lexus vehicles, offering a wide range of dealership-level functions in a user-friendly package. Equipped with a 4-inch touchscreen, Android 8.1 operating system, and upgraded 2G plus 16 GB memory, is built for both speed and reliability. Unlike standard scanners, this tool provides full system diagnostics, scanning modules such as the engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, fuel systems, and beyond. It not only reads and clears codes, but also performs active functional tests, making it an invaluable tool for identifying complex issues. A major highlight is its advanced ECU coding capability, which allows users to activate hidden features, customize factory settings, and optimize performance. From automatic mirror folding to disabling unwanted functions, the coding versatility is a game changer. The scanner also offers bidirectional control, meaning it can send commands to components like doors, lights, and windows to verify their operation directly. It supports over 10 reset and relearn functions, including oil reset, EPB, throttle relearn, injector coding, and ABS bleeding, making it ideal for after-repair maintenance. Auto VIN recognition speeds up the diagnostic process by automatically identifying the vehicle and scanning relevant systems, while Obd2 functions help confirm emission readiness and monitor engine health for inspection purposes. The scanner's Wi-Fi capability allows quick updates and easy report sharing, while its multilingual support broadens its usability. Backed by Launch's reputation and free updates, the Creator Elite version 2.0 stands out as a professional-grade tool at a fraction of dealership costs. Number 3. XTOOL Obd2 Scanner for Toyota. The XTOOL IP500 is a purpose-built diagnostic tool for Toyota, Lexus, and Scion owners, combining precision with user-friendly design. Featuring a 5-inch HD touchscreen, it delivers clear insights into vehicle performance and fault detection. Unlike generic Obd2 scanners, the IP500 is tailored with 21 special functions specifically designed for Toyota and Lexus vehicles. These functions cover everything from ABS bleeding, injector coding, throttle resets, and suspension adjustments to advanced calibrations like seat positioning and headlight alignment. This makes it ideal for both routine maintenance and in-depth troubleshooting. One of its most practical features is bidirectional control, which enables the scanner to actively test systems such as wipers, lights, and actuators. By sending commands to specific components, users can instantly verify their responses, eliminating unnecessary guesswork and saving valuable time during repairs. The scanner also supports full system diagnostics, covering everything from engine and transmission to airbags and TPMS, ensuring comprehensive fault detection. Additionally, its live data graphing feature visualizes real-time performance, helping users spot subtle issues before they escalate. The IP500's robust hardware, powered by a 1.2 GHz processor and 32 GB storage, ensures smooth performance without lag, while its 3,150 mAh battery provides long-lasting use. It supports Wi-Fi connectivity for lifetime-free updates, keeping the scanner current with the latest vehicle models and features. Its broad compatibility with 99% of Toyota, Lexus, and Scion vehicles enhances its value for owners with multiple models. Number 4. AFS QIORE Obd2 Scanner for Toyota. The AFS QIORE PX801 is a versatile Obd2 scanner designed for Toyota, Ford, and Honda, while also working as a universal code reader for most other vehicles. This makes it a great option for households or repair shops handling multiple car brands. For Toyota owners, it offers full system diagnostics across essential modules such as engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, TPMS, and SAS. Powered by a high-performance LQFP100 microcontroller, it delivers accurate results comparable to professional shop equipment. Beyond basic code reading, it enables real-time monitoring, VIN history checks, and detection of hidden issues, giving users confidence before repairs or second-hand purchases. The PX801 supports all standard Obd2 functions, including reading/clearing codes, freeze-frame data, oxygen sensor tests, evap checks, and I/M readiness for emission compliance. With a database of over 100,000 DDC codes built in, it eliminates the need for external searches, saving time and reducing frustration. The compact 2.8-inch screen, multilingual support in 11 languages, and easy navigation make it accessible to both beginners and experienced users. Unlike some advanced scanners, this model does not require batteries as it powers directly from the Obd2 port, ensuring it's always ready for use. Vehicle compatibility is broad, covering most models in the US since 1996, Europe since 2000, and Asia since 2008, along with full system support for Toyota, Nissan, Honda, and other major brands. For Toyota and Lexus vehicles, users simply select Toyota to access their diagnostics. Number 5. VDIAGTOOL Obd2 Scanner for Toyota. The VDIAGTOOL VD80BT Lite is a professional-grade Obd2 scanner that brings dealer-level diagnostics to a more affordable package. Designed for enthusiasts, small shops, and advanced DIYers, it covers an impressive range of over 4,000 active tests and 28 service functions, including throttle adaptation, injector coding, ABS bleed, idle relearn, and more. With ECU coding, PMI, module programming, and guided diagnostics, it rivals equipment used in authorized service centers. What makes this scanner stand out is its wireless functionality. With Bluetooth connectivity up to 66 feet, users can move freely around the vehicle while running tests, making it convenient for larger garages or busy work environments. True bidirectional control gives you the ability to activate components such as fuel pumps, lights, and mirrors in real time, making troubleshooting faster and more accurate. Compatibility is another strong point, as the VD80BT Lite supports over 100,000 vehicles globally, covering CAN-FD, DOIP, and FCA secure gateway protocols. This ensures it works seamlessly on nearly all US, EU, and Asian cars, including the latest Toyota models. The scanner also supports ECU coding for brands like VW, Audi, BMW, and Benz, expanding its utility beyond Toyota. Updates are free for 2 years, keeping the tool up to date with evolving vehicle technology. With multilingual support and a user-friendly interface, it caters to a global audience. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.